Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 40 years experience in this construction industry, trying to present you a small presentation on what is meant by a work breakdown structure. For any project planning and scheduling and execution, you require the work has to be break down into minute particles, which is called as a WBS. In this presentation, we are going to talk about what is meant by WBS and what is meant by top down and bottom down structure and many more. Kindly watch this presentation till the end so that you might learn what is meant by WBS, which will help you in your growth and your project development. Work breakdown structure. It's a civil conclave presentation. Items covered is in this presentation. What is breakdown structure? Where does it fit into the project management? Bottoms up development, top down development, helps and references, additional questions. WBS introduction. Training goal. To understand the process, its purpose and benefits. To learn enough about the process to begin and using it. To know where you can access the process and any of the supporting materials. Applicability of the core values to the project management. Integrity, responsibility, stewardship, respect and professionalism. WBS definition. A deliverable oriented grouping of project element that organizes and defines the total scope of the project work. Work does not in the WBS is not in the scope of the project. Each dissenting level represent an increasingly detailed description of the project elements, often used to develop or confirm a common understanding of a project scope. Where the WBS fits: strategic, tactical, physical. In strategic, you start initiate. Tactical, plan, control. Physical, execute, then close. Where the WBS fits: level of activities versus time. Initiate the project, plan it, execute the project, monitoring and controlling, close and finish. This is what is the WBS in the project management. Where does a WBS look like? Hierarchy diagram format. List of format. Write first down the draft policy. Review with your team and the management. Make changes if needed. Formally review policy analysis and advocates. Make changes as needed. Update the program manuals and forms to collect changes. Submitted to the SOS, that is senior official authorities, by 5 p.m. before it becomes effective. How? Work breakdown structure, how it is works. What? How? What is PBS? That is product breakdown structure. How? WBS. Work breakdown structure. Who? OBS. That is organizational breakdown structure. Example: PBS. What? See, suppose let us understand a car manufacturing unit. In that, the frame first come first. In the frame, fenders, roofs, doors, windows, etc. comes. Engine. It consists of a carburetor, cylinders, piston and etc. Interior and controls. In interior, seats, radio, other facilities. In control, steering, fuel, wiper, light, etc. Example: WBS project: manage, requirements, design, build and deliver. In manage, plan, execute, control and close. Under the category of requirement, access, determine, analyze and the purpose. Design, it's an engineer specification. Build, construct, test, validate and integrate. In deliver, install and then train them. Example: OBS. What is meant by OBS? It's a director, manager, under which various tasks. Second manager, various tasks. Third manager, fourth manager, various tasks. This is OBS. WBS diagram: a project, deliverable 1. It's had a work packages, another work packages, you are splitting it off. Okay. Deliverable, again the deliverable you are going to split it into various components. Deliverable 3, again this you are going to pack it out into different packages. Benefits of the WBS: estimates, it helps in the estimates. It helps risk and contingency plans. It helps in the schedule. It helps in the project control. In the project control, it helps risk control, change control and communication control. We had a progress reports, then it helps in the project plan and activities list. Common approaches: this is the bottoms up approaches. Brainstorming all work to be done and then grouping into hierarchy. Using a general to specific structure to progressively detail the works. This is a top down. Bottoms up WBS management: create to do the list of work, organize the to dos, review and adjust the group, correct and complete. If it is no, go back to item number 3, review, adjust, then come to 4 and correct and complete. If yes, WBS has been completed. Create the to-do list of work. Review, discuss what to be delivered. Review no limitations brainstorming. Brainstorm list of work on a first meeting. Compile list into tool that allows all participants to have easy access. Step 1, tips: sit down and participate as a peer. Have someone else to write on the board. Encourage starting with a verb. Don't correct or worry about a wording. Capture all process thoughts. Explanation is required. Useful brainstorming verbs: assessment. In this assessment, review, research, collect, analyze, access, determine and identify. Requirements: it contains define, describe, design, develop work activities, choose, obtain, prepare and approve. Construction: construct, build, write, obtain and create. Validation: validate, pilot, check and test. Implementation: implement, move, train, replace and evaluate. Organize the to-do list. Block back at the desk, have someone organize the list. Take very detailed but related steps and group them into tasks. Name the task. Take related tasks and group them into activities. Name the activity. Group activities into phrases. Steps to tips. Do what appears easiest first. Go back, adjust as you go through it. Adjust the wording now, not intent. Create a miscellaneous activity. For underdeveloped tasks or activities, leave space for adding later. Review and adjust structure with the group. You can see the left side, there's a chart is coming down. Accordingly, you can refer these wordings. Tell the group what it has been done. Go through the structure. Fixing a confirmed grouping, adjust names. Add additional forgotten tasks or activities. Step 3 tips. Constraint level of detail. Lowest level should be completed in approximately 1 to 3 weeks. Lowest level should contain a definition that includes the details. Correct and complete. Under this category, verify correctness and completeness. At the lowest level, you should be able to do name all the work packages, example, scope, definition document, code specification, painted exteriors, indicate dependencies, apply approximate duration and assign a resources role. Example, carpenter, tester, etc. Common obstacles. Discussing or setting requirements. Talking about solution rather than the work. Wanting to sequence and assign resources too early. Level of detail issues and other issues. Top-down WBS development. Choose your model. Very highest levels deliverable phases. Can adequate tests be made at this level? No. Next subsequent level. Review, verify and modify the next subsequent level. If it is yes, confirm lowest level, WBS has been completed. Top down. Choose your model. Review various life cycles models. Similar projects WBS or life cycle completes. Choose a model closest to your specific project. Note various life cycle templates and examples from various projects are available in PMPOK website. This is one of the system development cycle which is available in the PMPOK website. Top down. Verify highest level of phases and deliverable. Start at the top of a model deliverable. Verify deliverables represents the major phases of your project. Verify purpose, need of each major deliverable or phase. Determine if a previous project is completed. A major deliverable, example, is a feasibility. Choose to eliminate or modify deliverable after review of previous completed works. Top-down structures again. Can adequate estimate can be made at this level? Yes. Decisions guidelines. Can it be completed within 2 to 3 weeks period? Adequate may change over the course of the project. Estimating a major work package that it will be produced 6 to 12 months out may not be possible. Note, this step question means different level of decomposition are appropriate for each of the major deliverable phases. Review, verify and modify the next sequence level. Vary from the model the next subsequent levels more specific work detail. Choose the appropriate work elements. Elements should be described in tangible, verifiable results in order to facilitate the project progress. Repeat step 3 for each work element that you have chosen necessary for the project. Confirm lowest level. Are the lowest level items both necessary and sufficient? If no, combine these items, add to delete or redefine. Does the work item description provide a scope? If no, revise or expand the descriptions. Can the item be scheduled, budgeted, assigned to a specific organization or a team, department, etc.? If no, the item must be modified, split, and redefined. Learned what so far? Bottoms up. Easy to start. No terminology issues. Higher participation. What do we do with this? Top down. Requires more upfront discussions. Terminology and structure can get the way. Decreases participation. Slower start. What is next? Further decomposition into WBS dictionary. Briefly describe each item. References by the number. List associated activities. List milestones. List other information needed to facilitate work. Closing. The greatest benefit of developing a work breakdown structure is providing a common understanding of all the work required to deliver the product or services. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram groups, link as below. Thank you once again for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can get motivated and give you furthermore very valuable presentation. Once again, thank you. Kindly subscribe.